Hey guys, it's Mr. Gravo. We are going through 4th grade Go Math, lesson 4.7, and this is divide using repeated subtraction. And I really like this lesson as we work with division. Remember, division is just a faster way to subtract. So we're going to get started with a couple of examples, and this first problem is 84 divided by 7. So we're going to set it up just like this, 84 divided by 7. Now, one thing that we want to do that's a little bit different is we're going to extend this line down. Now, we're going to break this up into steps. How many 7s can fit into 84? I know right away that I can fit 10 7s into 84 because 10 times 7 is 70. And since we're dividing, we're doing equal groups, we're going to subtract. So after I put in the 10 7s, I have 14 left. How many 7s can fit into 14? Well, 2 7s can fit into 14. I have 0 left over, and I'm left with 12. So 12 times 7 is 84. Let's try another one. 60 divided by 4. Well, let's use repeated subtraction. And I usually start off with dividing by 10 or multiplying by 10, like just multiples of 10, that's the best for me. So I know 10 times 4 is 40, so I subtract that, and I would have 20 left over. How many 4s fit into 20? Oh, 5, because 5 times 4 is 20. And I have 0 left over, so how many 4s fit into 60? 15. Make sure that when you're putting your quotient, you put it on the number line. You put it on the, not the number line, you put on the division line here with your place values lined up. Alright, let's try this one. 91 divided by 3. Alright, now I'm not super good with my 8s, but we're going to do it anyways. 10 times 8 is 80. We have 11 left over. Alright? How many 8s fit into 11? Well, just 1. And then I have 3 left over, right? Well, 8 can't fit into 3, so this is my remainder. So I have 11 with a remainder of 3. Because 11 times 8 is 88, and 88 plus 3 is 91. So we're good. We checked it. 11, remainder 3. Let's do a couple more problems. You'll see here in this example, they subtract one at a time, one at a time. You don't want to do that. I guess you can, but there's definitely some more efficient ways to do it. Use repeated subtraction to divide. So 30 divided by 4. How many 4s fit into 30? All right. Well, I can't do 10 because that would make it go over. So let's try 5. Well, 5 times 4 is 20. I would have 10 left over. Okay, how many 4s fit into 10? 2. 4 times 2 is 8. I got 2 left over. Well, the 4 can't fit into 2, so this is a remainder. So I have 7, remainder 2. It's really important that we line up our place value when we are using repeated subtraction. Let's try this one. 24 divided by 5. 24 divided by 5. Let's go down. Well, I can't do 10 because 10 times 5 is 50. How about 5 times 5? Well, that's 25. That's too many. So let's do 4. 5 times 4 is 20. I have 4 left. Can 5 fit into 4? No, it can't. So this is the remainder. So it would be 4, remainder 4. Let's try number 3. 47 divided by 7. All right, repeated subtraction. Can't do 10 because 10 times 7 is 70. It's way too much. Can do 5 though. So that's minus 35. 5 times 7 is 35. Let's bring it down. How many 7s fit into 12? Just 1. Minus 7. 12 minus 7 is 5. 7 can't fit into 5, so it's remainder. So it's 6. Remainder 5. See? It really as easy as showing your work. It's just subtraction and basic facts. We got this. Make sure that you line up your work. Let me know if you have any questions as you divide using repeated subtraction.